Hello, my name is Bill Mead, and I created this website as a way of sort of exploring recursive programming and recursive programming ideas, which I've been trying to teach to my students that are learning JavaScript. And recursive programming can be one of those things that's a little bit complicated and difficult to wrap your mind around, so I thought something visual would really help. But the project really grew its own set of legs and has really kind of taken off in its own direction beyond anything I ever intended it to do. So I wanted to take a few minutes to introduce this website and sort of the project as a whole, and then we can look in other videos, or you can also read through the information on the website itself and sort of dig into it as much as you want to. Going to the first sort of step with this program, if we look at the first one here, you can see it's very simple. It's just adding black squares to the screen. And I can actually make this bigger. I've got this nice little interactive piece here, so you can actually make your canvas a little bit larger, and it's adding boxes to the screen randomly, random sized, in random positions, with a random amount of opacity and a random amount of rotation. And then it goes through that cycle for a while and then starts to take them out. One of the things that's interesting about this first program is that it had a tendency to add the boxes at the lower right-hand side of the corner more than in other places on the screen, which I thought was kind of interesting as well. In terms of the website, you can, read what I have to say about this particular design, as well as look at some of the code snippets and start to understand how the actual program is putting this stuff together, which I think is fun and sort of interesting. You can also actually view this project in its own full screen by going here, and it'll actually run full screen and the menu kind of pops out of the way, which is kind of nice. Or we can go back to the main page and you can explore the rest of the project. And that's enough of an explanation sort of to start with about the website and about what's going on here. In the next video, I'll go a little bit more in depth about the art side of it and some of the artistic ideas that I'm working with on this project.